Hey, hi, hello guys, welcome back to Code with Nani channel. So today we're gonna discuss lead code problem of the day. Count total number of colored cells. So there exists an infinite large number of two-dimensional grid of uncolored cells. So you are given a positive integer n, indicating that you must do the following routine for n minutes. At first minute, color any arbitrary unit cell blue. Then every minute thereafter, color blue every uncolored cell that touches a blue cell. So below is a pictorial representation of the state. Okay, no, okay. So we just need to return the number of colored cell at the end of the nth minute. So I'll just explain you in the whiteboard. You'll get clarity about that. So what they're basically saying is, so you have an infinite. So you have an infinite number of cells, 2D cells, so which you doesn't know. So in we need to do certain operation until n minutes. So in each minute, the colors that are adjacent to in the four directional will be colored with the blue. So we need to repeat this until nth minute. So we need to return how many cells that we have colored until now, until so far. So let's just forget about the two-dimensional array. What they say basically saying is at first minute, at first minute we only color a single cell. Okay, and in the second minute we need to color the cells that are adjacent to the first color. This is the first color. It is a colored cell on the first minute. So we need to color these adjacent four side cells as well. Okay. So in the second minute, it was 5, right? Because one, 2, 3, 4, 5 total number of colors until that particular minute. At first minute, it was first. And in the third minute, we need to color that adjacent cells, right? So for this particular cell, adjacent cells are this, and you can have this as well, and you can have this as well. For this particular cell, you can have this, you can have this, and for this cell, it was this cell, this cell. And for this cell, it was this cell. So the total was 13. If you carefully observe the pattern around it, so at first minute it was just 1. Okay. In the next iteration, it was 1 plus 4. So we are continuing that first minute cell. We are counting the first minute cell along with that four other cell in this particular minute. And if you take the case in the third minute, so 1 plus 4, which we colored on the first and second minute, plus what we doing, plus 8 other cells. So so if you carefully observe the pattern, so if we had a 3 elements, what we're basically doing is 1 plus 4 plus 8. Suppose if we have 4 elements, like if n is 4, what we'll do, what we do is 1 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12. So what is the total? 12 plus 8, 20, 24, 23. So what if we don't know the nth element? So what if it is an nth element? So it will be what if it is an nth element? It will be 1 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus and so on. As it is a multiple of 4, we just need to find 4 into n minus 1. Why n minus 1? Because we already counted 1, so it will be the n minus 1 element. So if you basically just take the 4 as common, what will be this? 1, 2, 3 and so on plus n minus 1. So if you remember the formula, if we have a summation of 1 to n elements, what will be the formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. So here in the case n is n minus 1, and if you add plus 1 to it, n minus 1 plus 1, which is basically n. So Just use this formula. 1 plus 4 into n is n minus 1. And if we add n plus 1, which means n minus 1 plus 1 by 2. 2, 2. And what is basically 1 into 2 into n minus 1 into n. So final observation, we come to an formula which is 1 plus 2 into n into n minus 1. So this will be the derived formula for this particular solution. So whatever be the value of n, we'll just return the 1 plus 2 into n minus n into n minus 1. So let's just code it up, guys. So just make a zoom out of it, so we'll get. So what we need to return is return 1 plus 2 into n minus 1 into n. So we need to return the long, right? As we are multiplying and adding only the integer term, so the answer that we return will be the integer. So in order to get rid of this particular edge case, what we need to do is just multiply with long, and as well here also just multiply with long. As we are multiplying with the long, it will think it as a long integer. Otherwise we are just using arithmetic operation on the integers, and the answer returned will be as a integer. Suppose if the answer, suppose, where is the edge case, I will explain you. Suppose if n is 10 power 5, if you are returning n into n minus, sorry, n 2 into n minus 1 into n, which is 2 into 10 power 5 into 10 power 5, which is 2 into 10 power 10, which integer cannot hold this value. So then it will give you the memory limit exceeder or the integer overflow compilation error. So in order to get rid of that edge case, and also we need to return the long as well. So for that case we just multiply with long, which is 1. If you are multiplying with 1, that doesn't make any changes on the output, right? So just multiplying with the long on each side. Now just submit the code, run the code, submit it. Hola, it's submitted. And that's it for today video, guys. So if you like my explanation, do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so you never miss any notification from my channel. So if you have any queries, do put it in a comment section so I'll reply you guys. And that is for today video, guys. Thank you. Tata, bye bye. See you tomorrow with a great content. Tada, bye bye.